If you've ever felt overwhelmed by scattered ideas, messy to-do lists, or projects that just don't come together, then this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down one of the best mind mapping tools, Xmind. Whether you're a student, a planner, or a business owner, this tool might completely change the way you organize your brain. Let's get straight into what Xmind actually does. Xmind is a visual mind mapping tool that helps you transform random thoughts into a clear, structured plan. Think of it as a digital brain canvas. You start with one central idea, maybe get fit, launch a business, or plan a new project. From there, you branch out into smaller tasks and ideas. And the best part, everything works with simple drag and drop, so your map evolves naturally as your ideas grow. Now, what makes Xmind stand out? First, templates. If you don't want to start from scratch, Xmind gives you ready-made layouts for brainstorming, goal setting, project planning, and more. Just pick one, replace the text, and you're good to go. Then there's design customization. You can adjust colors, fonts, background styles, and even switch between different map layouts. This is especially useful if you like your visual workspace to match your workflow, or if you're presenting your ideas. Speaking of big projects, Xmind also lets you create multiple sheets. So instead of stuffing everything into one giant map, you can split your plan into smaller connected sections. It keeps things clean and manageable. And here's one of the biggest upgrades, the AI assistant. This tool can help you generate ideas, suggest full map structures, and even mask sensitive data when you're sharing your map publicly. It saves time, boosts creativity, and keeps your information secure. Once your map is ready, Xmind has a built-in presentation mode, which turns your map into a smooth, slide-style walkthrough. Perfect for meetings, team discussions, or class projects. You can also publish and share your maps online, use hashtags, get inspiration from the community, and even earn rewards. So, is Xmind the best mind mapping tool? If you want something fast, flexible, visually clean, and powered by AI, it's definitely one of the top choices. If you enjoyed this review and want more tool breakdowns like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me what tool you want reviewed next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.